Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today I've got some great news to tell you. Went to the back of my unit today and guess what? The test presses for Wickedest Piece of Tune 24/7 have arrived. So I thought I'd share this experience with you guys, do a little bit of a box opening if you like. Now I'm not sure if there's some more TPs there because I'm sure I ordered 30 and the box actually says times 10. Can you see that? Which is a bit odd. And on the actual sleeve, there's one sleeve inside here. Hang on. Wow. Pretty tough to open it. Right. So I've got one sleeve which is empty, which is weird. So I guess they label that up on the top of it. And the catalogue number says DOP W2K. Now, I swear it was supposed to be DOP 2K W01, but this one says DOP W2K 001. And in here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 test presses here. So I'm guessing maybe there's another 2 boxes at work. If not, then I'll have to give them a shout and see what's happening. Now, in terms of the vinyl, vinyl's got a nice weight to it. Very clean looking. Yep. Dope IV. No, wait. Dope W2K 001B. Have they sent me the right test presses? Final Tweak. So it was cut by Final Tweak. Okay. And it says DAPS. Yeah, this is the guys. Okay, cool. So, okay, so the catalogue number on this is saying Dope W2K. No, DOP W2K 001. Okay, so that's what we got here. Vinyl's pretty sturdy. It's quite weighty vinyl. It looks clean. Does it look warped? Doesn't look warped. Let's see, it's quite flat. As far as I can see, it looks pretty flat. Yeah, so far so good. So I don't actually have a turntable here around here, which is something I'm going to work on next, I think. So the next stage now is to take this over to someone's yard, have a listen to it, and give you guys a feedback on what it's saying. So guys, if you're interested in receiving a TP, I've actually got links to the TPs. Unfortunately, I have done them at the normal rate of the Kickstarter project to make it fair on everyone else, because I know they're £50 each, but it's not fair if I sell these for 50 to one guy and then 10 to another, or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to keep these at 50 on the site, but the TPs remain at starting donations. Sorry, not the TPs, but the actual release starts with donations at £10 as per usual, but the TPs we're going to hold them at 50. That way the guys who pay for something totally exclusive, limited edition, only X amount of them ever made in existence, will get to have grab these copies. Happy to throw in a Brain t-shirt with it if it makes it easier for you guys to purchase. Like, share, subscribe, let me know what you think. Comments down below. Until next time, take care, God bless, peace.